Thank you very much. I'm at the Nasinu Sangam School in Nasinu, and I want to take this opportunity to thank Ram Maharaj. Ram beta, thank you very very much. आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आपके आजा आजी माता पिता समक्ष परिवार को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, क्योंकि आपने आपके नाम से जो धनराशि यहाँ पर आई हुई है जो हम लेकर आए हैं उसको हम यहाँ पर बच्चों के लिए, आप थोड़ी देर में देखेंगे कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं और उनके पास कुछ के पास बुक्स नहीं हैं, कुछ के पास कपड़े नहीं हैं, जूते नहीं हैं, बैकपैक्स नहीं हैं। तो आपके जो धनराशि है राम, उसको लेकर हम लोग आज इस बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ हम लोग खरीदेंगे ताकि ये बच्चे भविष्य में अपना भविष्य बना सकें और स्कूल में जो भी कार्य रहे वो परिपूर्ण कर सकें। जो यहाँ पर बच्चे हैं, ये 4 बच्चे आप देखेंगे, इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है। लगता है कि जो स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म भी पहने हैं किसी से बोरो कर लाए हुए हैं और लेकर उसको लाए हैं और सोमवार से स्कूल में आकर दाखिल हो चुके हैं, परंतु इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है। तो आज हम लोग इनको बैकपैक्स देंगे और जो भी कुछ है आवश्यकता होगी वो सब हम लोग इनको देंगे ताकि ये अपना भविष्य बना सके। राम, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपके समस्त परिवार को धन्यवाद, आपके आजा आजी श्रीमान श्रीमती धर्मेंद्र शर्मा जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपके माताजी, आपके पिताजी, समक्ष परिवार को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भगवान की कृपा सदैव रहे, घर में धन धान का भरपूर रहे, आपको भगवान खूब बल बुद्धि विद्या देवे। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गॉड ब्लेस।
I am Mrs. Masanga of Nasinu Sangam School. Would like to take this great opportunity on behalf of the school management, the staff of Nasinu Sangam. Would like to take this great opportunity to thank the donors and of course the organization, the Samaj Seva of Fiji, USA, for their great support for these beautiful children who are the gifts of God. They came into the school this year without books. And then today we are very grateful that we can witness right here in front of us that they have received backpacks with books and other stationery. With this, they'll be able to continue with their learning and work in the classroom. So therefore, for the donors, we once again thank you very much for your kind help and generosity towards these children who are in need, and we hope that you will continue with your good work in giving freely to the needy. Therefore, once again, thank you from Nasinu Sangam School. God bless you all. Vinaka.
My name is Kalar Marama. I'm in class 802. I'm schooling at Nasinu Sangam School. Thank you very much for helping us for buying the backpacks and uniform. Thank you.
Vinaka Balebu Samaj Siwan of Fiji, USA, PO Box. To the donors of for my books and my bag and my pencil and my rulers. Thank you.
Will help
me
in my learning.
in my learning.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Let me introduce myself. I am the acting head teacher of Nasinu Sangam Primary School. This is the first year I have joined this school, and I am very much obliged and would like to thank everyone who has been helping this school in some way or the other. We have been enrolling students from all categories, and we also have got a handful of students who come from underprivileged families. Their family income is really low, and they are in the poverty group. So I would like to thank the parents as well for enrolling their students in our school. Since we had big class rolls here, and we have been given in green light from Ministry of Education to keep enrolling the students. So the students that we have got here, most of them have come from islands, and they were not getting enrollment in any school. And as such, our doors were open for their enrollment, and when we enrolled the students, we came to know that they are really from poor family background. And it was a privilege for me to get support and financial assistance from overseas donors as well. And as I got that information, we requested those teachers' consent to give the names of the most needy students. So here, as we can see, we have got a handful of students who are in dire need of help from people who are in a position to help these people. So first of all, I would like to thank now those donors from USA who have taken this initiative. It is a very good cause, and I would like to thank them once again for showing their interest in our school students, and this has been happening from long at our school. This help will make a great difference in the lives of this group of children, and I think some are also away from school due to some reason, and now this will help them to be present in the school with all the requirements that need for their education. And since the government is paying the school fees now, so these are the things that the students need most now. So once again, I want to thank all those donors and officers who are present here for their presentation to our students, and I hope this will continue, as this is very great job that has been done, and the initiative taken by the concerned officers here and their families and those people who have been putting a helping hand from overseas through these gentlemen here. So once again, as the head of the institution, I would like to thank everyone, and I hope in future contribution of such nature will be of great help to these students. And one day, when these students grow up, they will really understand through whose help they are, what they are then. Thank you very much, sir.